Hey everyone, this is Courtney with Texas Teacher Today. If you need help with the math, you're not alone. A lot of people are needing help with the math section. It has one of the highest failure rates out of these tests, math and social studies. So I thought we'd go over a couple of questions. So let's look at these. Number one, Miss Smith teaches third grade. Many of her students are struggling with learning decimals. What would be the best hands-on approach to help her students learn about decimals in a meaningful way? So we have to pick the answer that's most on topic, right? That's obvious. It needs to be about learning decimals in a meaningful way. It also needs to be thorough and it needs to be learner centered, right? So let's look at these. A, showing them a video and giving them a worksheet. That's not really learner centered, right? It's on topic. It's not super thorough. It's not learner centered. So that's not right. We always want to look first. Is it on topic? Is it thorough? Then learner centered. B, breaking the class into small groups that each receive a board with 100 squares and 100 counters or manipulatives. She will show the class a few examples demonstrating that 3 counters on the board is the equivalent of 300, so 3 out of 100. Then students will come up with their own decimals using the board and manipulatives. Well, that is on topic. It's more thorough and it is learner centered, but let's look at all options. Teaching them a song about decimals and having a guest speaker that talks about how she uses decimals in the workplace. That's not real tangible. That's not really going to help them with decimals. So it is on topic, but it's just not very effective. D, using the smartboard to demonstrate what decimals are, what they are used for, and having advanced students do some sample problems on the smartboard. The rest of the class will take notes from their desk, and later the class will take a quiz so she can evaluate their progress. Well, that's on topic and it's thorough, but it's not as effective and hands-on as B. So B is the best answer. Now let's look at number 2. Mrs. Garcia teaches 6th grade mathematics. At the end of a unit on probability, she gives students a test over how to use stem and leaf plots, scatter plots, and histograms. The test will count for 20% of their 6th week grade. Mrs. Garcia is using let's see, what type of assessment is this? Well, if it's over a unit that's ending, it's summative, right? Summative means that it's over. If it's for a grade, it's formal. So the correct answer has to be formal summative assessment. So it has to be C. So I would look at all options, but I would know it can't be formative, can't be informal. It is formal and summative. It can't be informal. So C is the best answer. If you need help passing the math section, I have weekly tutoring and a course that is very easy to understand, very clear. We meet Sunday nights at 8 o'clock and it comes with access to my course. It's a great way to pass. If you're interested, give me a call at 361-846-0741. I'd love to tell you how I can help you pass the math section. Thanks.